Hey guys, I will show you something very cool. So this is Amazon Echo Auto. So basically my car is a very old model. It's a Honda City 2013 model. So it basically comes with and it's a mid version, so it basically comes with a USB port and then some basic features only. So no CD, nothing, and also no Bluetooth as well. So it has become very outdated now. So I was searching for some latest options and all, but I want to maintain the same stereo setup what I got here, because when I look for the Android setup and all, I should be replacing all this unit and everything for a touch screen one, and which will not be of a very good brand or something. So finally I was searching for a lot of items, then finally managed to get something cool. So this is Amazon Auto. I was utilizing it for almost 1.5 weeks now. I was just trying to see how useful it is in a long run and all. Then I really surprised, and I am very much impressed with the device. So I thought like I will put a video so that those people who doesn't own a very new latest techie car or something, so for them it will be like a very useful device. So let's see how it is connected. So I can show you the box that I got. So let's have a look. So it's Amazon Echo Auto. Okay, so it's like a Google Assistant, similar to that, but basically the advantage here is that you can download Amazon Echo on your mobile as well. But the thing is that the microphone here is very good, even at a loud noise, when the engine noise is very high, we are in a traffic or anything, if we ask Alexa, immediately it will start. So that is a very good thing. And also it actually upgraded my system whole audio system to a next level actually in this car. So basically what it does is that we can I'm already have a Prime account, so it can play the Prime musics, even Spotify musics and all. Then also I can ask her for the navigation. Like navigation, Alexa doesn't have a proper navigation. Then what it does is that it will search and tell us how much time or distance it will be taking for us to reach there, or a particular location or destination when we ask for. And then in addition to that, it will open the Google Map in your mobile phone. So ultimately you need to rely on the Google Map on your phone. That is one navigation related downside I have seen. But the good thing is that, okay, if you are searching for a restaurant or something nearby, just ask her like, okay, Alexa, what is the is there a good restaurant or vegetarian or non-vegetarian restaurant or Arabic restaurant nearby? So it will say that, okay, within 2 kilometer or 1.5 kilometer, which is the best option. That too link to Zomato app. So Zomato app is connected to this, and it will search there and it will tell us that, okay, nearby which all are the restaurants. So that is one thing. And also it will say that, okay, towards that restaurant how much is the traffic now and which is the best route. So that is very good thing actually. Then the only disadvantage what I have seen is that, okay, too many wires. So basically it will this when we buy this one, it will come with this magnetic stand, the device itself. Okay, then two cable. One is actually an auxiliary cable and one USB power cable. Okay, so it is connected to this particular power jack, which is having dual output. So basically if you connect it here, the second one you can use to charge your mobile phone as well. So this is pretty good actually, very high quality one that came with the package itself. Okay, so then the auxiliary one, how I connected is that I connected the power directly to here, and then the auxiliary cable I connected to my aux input here. So basically I will select the aux input. So in some cars maybe auxiliary will be other side, it may not be at the same portion or something. The thing is that you may be seeing two cable running over through your center console. So that is one disadvantage with this device. But if you have a Bluetooth in your car, in that case you can avoid this auxiliary cable. This Alexa can connect to your car via Bluetooth. But if you have a very latest tech and all, I don't suggest this, but if you have a basic functioning device like this in your car, then it's a very advantageous or very good device. I completely suggest you to buy this one. So here in India it costs around 5,000 rupee for 999. So basically during an Amazon offer and all, you can buy it for a lesser price, definitely. So let me show you some basic skills what it have. So Amazon Alexa have thousands of skills actually. So some of the skills are like, see that blue color, it is searching for my mobile phone. Actually it is always integrated to my to your phone actually. So that I missed to tell. So basically the device doesn't have a SIM support or anything. It is completely relying on your mobile phone data. So when you are on the run, the data connectivity should be there, and it will be completely relying on your mobile data. So that is one key point here, so that I want to tell. Let me show you something. Alexa, update weather.
Right now in Kodingcherry, it's 29 degrees Celsius with mostly cloudy skies. Today's forecast has thunderstorms with a high of 29 degrees and a low of 24 degrees.
Okay, that's cool. So it the sound comes from our car device itself, so that is very good. Then another thing is that it always listen, like I mentioned earlier, it always listen to your voice actively. So even at a high noise also it can recognize your voice. Alexa, play English hits. So basically my network. Alexa, play English music hits.
Here's a station for English music, all 90s, on Amazon Music.
Let's test out, like, okay, full volume, and then let's see whether Alexa can recognize me. So what I'm trying to see show you here is that, okay, at a high volume whether Alexa can understand my voice or something. So just try out. Skip song. Okay, so basically it recognizes my voice and it skipped my song as well at a high volume. Okay, so then another thing is that, Alexa, pause. Okay, so another advantage is that, okay, on the go, if you need to call someone from your contact, it can call. Basically it can call the people and whoever there in your contact, it can call, it can dial. Alexa, call Appu Jio.
Calling Appu Jio's mobile.
So that is Alexa for you. So it has a lot of advantages. If you have a basic car, this is a very good device. I suggest you to use it. Thanks.